Hi, my name is Long Thompson, and I used to have one of these, and I wished I had had one of these when I did. I invented these to give you back some normalcy in your life and peace of mind. The Traveler is a revolutionary way of cleaning out your pouch, anywhere, anytime, and yes, even in your car. The Traveler completely eliminates the fear of travel in a plane, in a car, any kind of travel, anywhere. It even comes with gloves and wipes. This gives you back your freedom of movement. The SOS is like the Traveler, but it is reusable. The SOS will make it so you or your caregivers never have to use your fingers again. For information, go to SanitaryOstomySystems.com. There you will find out why I invented these and why I want everybody to know about them.